This is the most effective recipe for cleansing the blood, kidneys, skin, and liver. It will also help you lose weight. You'll remove all waste through urine. For this recipe, we'll need a few sprigs of fresh parsley. The health benefits and properties of parsley are numerous. This plant has been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy to relieve minor discomforts. It even has benefits for the face, improving and protecting our skin. It is rich in nutrients, containing vitamins A, C, K, and several of the B complex, as well as minerals such as iron and calcium. Parsley is an excellent source of antioxidants that help fight free radicals and protect the body's cells. Next, let's take a green apple and cut it into small pieces. The green apple provides the fiber and potassium the body needs to stay healthy. It also helps control high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Another advantage is its low calorie content, making it a healthy option for those who want to maintain or lose weight. The fruit also has compounds that can help regulate blood sugar. This is beneficial for diabetics or people looking to control their blood sugar. Finally, take a lemon and squeeze its juice. Lemon is a citrus fruit that has numerous health benefits. Rich in vitamin C, it is a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and helps protect the body against infections. Now, let's put all the ingredients we've chopped into a blender. In addition to the lemon juice, add 250 milliliters of water. Let everything blend for 3 minutes. At this point, I'd like to know what country or city you're watching us from, so I can send you a special greeting in the next video. Today's greeting is for Juan Sanchez, who is watching us from Mexico. Thank you for always watching and enjoying our recipes. After that time, it will be ready. Have this drink in the morning every day. This shake will do its job on a daily basis, eliminating toxic waste through the urine. This detox drink, made with parsley, green apple, and lemon, is an excellent way to cleanse the body, contributing to the health of the kidneys, liver, and skin. When consumed daily, especially in the morning, it helps eliminate toxic waste through the urine, as well as providing essential nutrients and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. Incorporating this recipe into your routine not only boosts your health, but also helps you lose weight in a natural and healthy way. Give it a try and feel the benefits on your overall well-being. And that's it, folks. We've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and that the content was useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.